So 12th standard physics volume 2, right, 6th lesson, ray and optics. We are going to see the book back answer explanation, right, answers, right. So the fourth question is, for light incident from light on the slab refracting index 2, the maximum possible angle of refraction is, read again, for light incident from air on a slab of refractive index 2, right. Slab means like glass, right. The maximum possible angle of refraction is. So we know that the answer, but we should know about that explanation. So now we're going to back to the answer side. So to understand that question, so we have to, previously we should understand that meanings, right. So this is what the light ray, this is incident ray, this is normal like air medium, this is like water or mirror, somewhat that medium, another medium, right. This is incident ray, this is refractor ray. So incident ray, the angle, this is normal, means perpendicular to the plane, right, the line, imaginary line we are drawn perpendicular to the surface, right. So this is what the incident light I. This one refractor ray, right. So I R. So on that another thing is media, refractive index N1 and N2. Refractive index of the medium is N1, this one is N2, I R, this is light ray. Now that we know that Snell's law, right, sin I by sin R equal to N2 by N1. That means sin of the incident angle of the first medium to angle of the refraction R in the second medium, that is equal to refractive index of second medium to refractive index of the first medium, right. So this is what. So I hope you understand that basic ideas. So now we are decode that given particulars in the question. So light air to the slab. So actually what is going to happen, light falls on air to slab, correct. So light travels air, this one is air medium, this one is slab, this may be glass of something, bunch of glasses, right. So slab refractive index is 2, so N2 is 2. Maximum possible angle of refraction, they are asking maximum possible of angle of refraction. This is what that angle they are asking, right. Snell's law, sin I by sin R equal to N2 by N1. So this one is I, this one is R. So sin I by sin R equal to N2 by N1. We know the refractive index of second medium, refractive index of first medium equal to incident ray of sin value, refractive index of sin value, that is equal. So we know that refractive index nu also we are used the symbol nu, right. Sometimes we looking that equation nu is equal to sin I by sin R, right. So one of the equation we are using. Two method I am going to reveal that answer. So two way you can approach, but the answer is same, procedure is same. Which you feel better, you can follow it, right. So nu is equal to sin I by sin R, nu is equal to 2 for air medium, sin air medium refractive index is 1. So nu is 2, sin I incident angle is for air actually 1, right. Sin 90 degree is 1, right. Sin 90 degree is 1. Sin R they are asking, correct. So just substitution, 2 is equal to 1 by sin R. We need that what is R value. Sin R equal to the multiplied with 1, right. So the multiplied going to that side means division. So R is equal to sin inverse of 1 by 2. So we have to find what is sin inverse of 1 by 2. So sin R equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 lies on the sin value of 30 degree is 1 by 2, correct. So the mathematics term we know that sin 0 degree 0, sin 30 degree 1 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, sin 80 degree 1. So we need to value 1 by 2. So sin of 1 by 2, the degree is 30 degree. So sin 30 degree is equal to, we can write it instead of 30 degree, sin pi by 6. So pi means 180. So sin R equal to sin of pi by 6. So sin cancel, R is equal to 90 divided by 6, R is equal to 30 degree. So why we are using pi means, so the line, if it go like this is what 180 degree. That is why we are using I, this is what we are using R. So actually go like this, right. This one is R. We know D is equal to I minus R. So the other equation we don't worry about it. So in this equation we don't need the explanation. So when we need, we go and see that. So so the direct method is page number 20. We have the example also. For example, refractive index of glass is 1.5. The critical angle for glass and interface is IC is equal to sin inverse of 1 by 0.5. So sin is 41.8 degree. So this is that. So directly see that 19 page they are giving this equation, right. So 20 page they give the example. So IC is equal to sin inverse of 1 by n. So sin inverse of 1 by 2. This means sin 30 degree. So the answer is sin 30 degree is the answer. So the answer is we cannot memorize, right. So we should understand why it comes. So that's what I do the job. So I hope this very useful to you. So please comment what I am doing is okay or something we have to improve. Okay, thank you.